baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys some fall pumpkins. Alright everyone, here's the items we'll be using for these pumpkin DIYs, and everything will be listed down below in the description box. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright, we're going to start by painting our pumpkin white, and we're going to be using some glitter. Now I did add the glitter to the paint, but it didn't turn out too good. Some of the glitter wasn't showing, so I had to go back over with Mod Podge and add glitter to the pumpkin that way. It's better you do it that way. Don't bother add it to the paint like I just did. Now our pumpkin is dry. I added 2 coats of paint, so we're just going to add these silver beads going all the way around our pumpkin. And like I told you before, I added the Mod Podge with the glitter back over the pumpkin. And now I'll be adding this bling gem from Totally Dazzled to the top of our pumpkin to add some extra bling. You know I love the bling. And now for our second pumpkin, I'll be adding these black beads that I got from Dollar Tree, going all the way around. And I'll be adding 2 of our lovely gems also to this pumpkin. And here's how they turned out, you guys. I think they look very nice with the beads on them. Give a different effect to the pumpkin. It's so nice to decorate for fall, whether you want to decorate with a glam look, a farmhouse look, a classic look. You know, just get some stuff for yourself at the dollar store and just brighten them up a bit and add some warmth and bling. Or not so much bling to your home for the fall season. Hi everyone, I am coming on today because I'm going to be having another giveaway for you guys. And this giveaway, let me see, maybe I'll do it like the introduction to fall, because fall is coming soon. And I started doing my fall DIYs, so I still have a giveaway. And this giveaway now, for our fall giveaway, like I told you guys, I'll be picking people randomly to give them a shout out, and this giveaway is dedicated to Home, Body and Soul with Forlisa. I hope I'm saying your name right, my dear. Home, Body and Soul with Forlisa. I'll put it up here for you guys. This giveaway is dedicated to her. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about Forlisa. She does a lot of haul videos where she goes to Home Goods She goes to Z Gallery. She goes to Target. She goes to Home Goods. She goes to Ross, a store called Ross. Love the American decorating shops that you guys have over there. She goes there, does hauls from them, even does videos where she takes you around inside of them. She does DIYs too, and she also shows you how to decorate things around your home. Yeah. So she has a fun channel. So like I said, I'm dedicating this video to her, and I'm gonna leave a link to one of her videos that you guys have to go over and watch her video and leave a comment under her video, and the comment is going to be fall bling. Yeah. Fall bling. So you're gonna go over, I'm gonna leave the link below, and you're gonna click on the link, go over to her video, watch that video that I select for you guys to watch, and comment fall bling underneath that video, and I'll know you're entered this giveaway. Yeah, so okay, Felicia, I know you're gonna be surprised, but you're my recipient for this giveaway this time. And let me show you guys what you'll receive in this giveaway. Okay, I have these metallic leaf flakes. We have that. And of course, we have our bling, you guys. Our little bling gems. You'll have 2 packs of those. And we're going to have the mirrored tile sheets. We're going to have 5 packs of these. The mirrored tile sheets. And I have this cute butterfly stickers, but they're like what do you call it now? Like crochet style butterflies. Hope you guys can see that good. So we'll be having that, and we'll be having these 2 gems, one in gold and the other one in silver. And I have some silver bling wrap here for you guys, the kind that I got from Dollarama. And then I have these 2 bling stickers here, one in gold and one in a turquoise color. And I have an artist canvas here. It's 8 by 10, a little canvas that you guys can do something on. Yeah, so that's everything I'll be having in my giveaway, and there'll be 2 winners in this giveaway, you guys. 2 winners, and the giveaway is gonna run from the giveaway is gonna run from today's date, September the 3rd, until September the 10th, 1 week, and I will announce the winner September the 11th. September the 11th, I'll announce the winner. And the rules for the giveaway is you have to go over and watch Felicia's video and leave the comment fall bling under the video I choose for you guys to watch. The link will be in the description box. You have to be a subscriber to my channel, and you have to like my video also. And yeah, that's about it. You have to like my video, be a subscriber, go over and watch Felicia's video, and leave the comment fall bling underneath her video, and the link will be in the description box, and it runs from September 3rd until September 10th. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to do today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.